Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Estella. Today I will show you how to make transparent watermark for your video. So let's start. First, add a green image. Then go to text and type your username. Zoom it a little bit. Then click on Fonts and select your favorite font, but make sure it is not thin. I recommend you to choose Rubik or Palette. Now click on Style and go to Stroke. Choose black color and make the width 15. Now go to Shadow. Again choose black and make the opacity 90 and blur 20. Now save this. Now add your reel or video for which you want to apply your watermark. Now click on Overlay and add your green screen video. Now click on Remove Background. Click on Chroma key and select the green part like I'm doing. Now adjust the intensity according to your text, or you can make it 50 or 100. Make the shadow to 100. Now you can see your overlay clip is short, so you can go to speed and adjust it according to your video length. Now go to Splices and choose Overlay. And you are done. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, then subscribe for more. If you want any other tutorial, then let me know. Till then, stay safe.